Hi vlog! Ayan, namamasyal kami ni Habi dito sa... Ang ganda-ganda guys. Oh, ang ganda ng mga flowers dito. Ayan. Come honey. Ayan, kasama. Hey buddy! Hi buddy!
Hi buddy!
Ayan guys. Taga dito guys. Ayan guys. Ang ganda-ganda ng mga bulaklak. Sa pinasyalan namin ng garden. Yan. Bulaklak. Ang ganda-ganda. So pretty flowers. Guys, dito kami sa kabila. Natitisod pa tayo guys. Ayan, ang ganda ng bulaklak guys. Ang ganda-ganda dito mamasok. Nakakatuwang tingnan ang mga bulaklak. Yan pa oh. Honey, so nice, the flowers. The plants all over the... Ayan guys. And si Habi. Hi buddy, say hi. Hi.
Hi there.
Ang ganda ng fountain guys. Ayan, fountain. Ang ganda-ganda. Diba? Ayan. Dito tayo sa labas. Habang hinihintay natin si Habi. Guys. Muna tayo. Ang ganda ng mga ano dito. Mga flowers. Guys, lalakad-lakad tayo dito. Lakad-lakad tayo. Ganda ng mga bulaklak sa paligid. Ayan o. Tayo dito habang hinihintay natin si Habi. Ayan pa mga bulaklak dito guys. Ganda dito. Ganda ng bulaklak. Purple colors. Po muna tayo dito sa ilalim ng kahoy. Upo tayo dito sa ilalim ng kahoy, malamig. Ayan guys. Ang ganda pa naman ng table oh. Tayo lang mag-isa dito. Paligiran tayo ng mga bulaklak. Tapos yun, fountain. Fountain yun. Ganda. Ganda ng ano hangin. Fresh. Yan guys, fresh na fresh yung. Yan guys, si Habi mag-order ng burger.
And
rings and a couple of root beers for you. That's going to be $13.13.
okay.
Si Habi nag-order ng burger guys. Nagutom tayo sa gala. Hi, honey. You don't have change? You don't have change? Oh, habang nag-order si Happy ng drinks. Honey, I can go out.
You what?
I can go out. So nice flowers there. Huh?
Let's take a picture of them if you want.
No, I'm here in my video.
I think,
No, me only. Can?
yeah.
Yan guys, tingnan natin yung flowers. Ang ganda ng mga bulaklak dito guys. Tingnan eh. Habang naghihintay si Abby sa order niya, yan, pakita ko yung halaman dito. Ang ganda oh. Ayan guys. Ganda. Ganda. Diba? Ganda-ganda. Ganda-ganda ng bulaklak. Mga halaman ngayon. Yan. Wala pa yung order ni Abby kaya hinintay natin. Hintayin muna natin. Guys, ito na yung order natin. Yan. Ang order natin. Guys, yan yung in-order ni Abby sa atin na what is this na?
Onion rings.
Onion rings. Ayan guys. Onion rings. Ang sarap ng onion rings. Yan, try natin. Try natin yung onion rings. Malutong-lutong guys. Happy. Onion
Need
rings.
some salt.
Need salt? Don't have salt. Didn't get not asking salt. So, yan guys. May burger tayo, may burger. Ang sarap ng burger. Ang mainit-init pa. Ayan guys, ang burger nila. Yan yung merienda natin habang gumagala tayo. Day off namin na Happy ngayon kay gala-gala muna. Gala-gala pa more. Tapos, binilhan tayo ng merienda ni Happy guys. Dito tayo sa All American Foods. All American Foods. So, nandito yung lahat ng pagkain. Yan, pinasyal tayo ni Happy dyan. Tapos, inorderan tayo ng burger. Alam na si Happy, favorite niya burger talaga. Burger. Guys. Sarap. Sarap guys.
Throw the home lettuce.
I eat the onion rings first. Yung onion rings I eat. Because don't have anything here.
Lettuce. Get all that crap off. Get
Onion rings.
what do you want me to do?
You eat.
I gotta take this out.
You don't want that?
No, I don't. Here, just because.
Ayaw ni Abby yung mga nasa loob guys. Kaya tanggalin muna natin bago ibigay ni Abby. You don't want the tomato?
No, I don't want the tomato. I don't want the lettuce. I don't want the pickle. I don't want the onion.
Oh, you don't want everything. You don't want the tomato. You don't want the onion. Pickles. You don't want. So, all is good now. I give to him. So, nandyan na yung mga tinanggal natin yun, guys. Pickles, tomato, onion. Yan, nandyan. So, ibigay na natin sa kanya. Wala na lahat. Ayan, Habi. Here, honey.
I can't dry it. Just hold on.
Okay. Nawala na lahat ang laman, guys. So, ayan.
Keep this.
Okay, put there.
Yeah, you're on it.
We need a straw so that you can drink that. Yan guys, take your burger and eat. Here your burger, honey. Wala lang laman, just the beef and egg inside. I remove all the big, just lettuce there inside. Sinanggal na natin yung ibang. Ayaw ni Abby yung mga ibang nilalagay, guys. You can put here, Han, if you need help. Yan. Habang nagbibiyahe tayo, guys, kain muna. You can put here first. How's the taste? It's good? Honey?
What?
The taste is good?
Yeah.
Masarap daw. Pauwi na tayo. Ayan na, tapos na si Abby, magbabayad na siya. Bumili din tayo ng flower. Yan. Yan guys, yung flower. Si bye-bye, honey. Bye-bye. Thank you for watching our video, guys. See you in my next vlog. If you are new in our channel, subscribe, like, comment, and don't forget to click the bell button para updated for the next video. Thank you, guys. Love you. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye, Raddy.
Bye.
Bye-bye.